a great addition to any toolbox or job site. This Dremel rotary tool is ideal for multiple applications and materials. The 2-speed control allows you to set your speed at 15,000 or 35,000 RPM with just the flip of a switch. The cool running ball-bearing construction ensures a smooth and quiet operation, while the lightweight design allows for increased comfort during prolonged use. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. Made to last, it features replaceable motor brushes, which extend the life of the tool. Extremely handy. The tool comes with the following accessories: lawnmower and garden tool sharpener, high-speed cutter, 401 mandrel, 402 mandrel, 407 coarse 1/2 inches sanding drum, 408 coarse 1/2 inches sanding band, 420 heavy-duty Emery Cut-Off wheel, 421 polishing compound, 422 cone polishing tip, 425 Emery wheel, 426 1/4 inches fiberglass-reinforced Cut-Off wheel, 429 large felt wheel, 432 1/2 inches 120 grit sanding band, 932 aluminum oxide grinding stone. Aluminum oxide grinding stone, silicon carbide grinding stone. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Carving, engraving. Whether it's engraving soft or hard materials, Dremel offers the right accessory for every application. Number 2. Cutting. The versatility of a rotary tool allows you to cut just about any material with the right accessory. Number 3. Cleaning, polishing. Put the sparkle on your projects and clean tough-to-reach areas on a variety of materials. Number 4. Grinding, sharpening. Restore your furniture and appliances by removing rust or sharpening your tools so they're like new again. Number 5. Sanding, sand, smooth, shape, or grind wood and fiberglass for clean finishes or surface prep. Number 6. 2-speed corded rotary toolkit. An ideal rotary tool that offers the precision and control required to complete a wide range of projects. Flip between 15,000 or 35,000 RPMs. Number 7. High-performance rotary tool. Its 2-speed settings allow you to use the low-speed setting for lighter-duty applications. The high-speed setting is ideal for heavier-duty projects like routing, cutting, and sanding applications. Number 8. What's in the kit? Includes the 675 lawnmower and garden tool sharpener, and 15 genuine Dremel accessories ideal for cutting, carving, engraving, cleaning, polishing, sanding, and sharpening, grinding applications, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Is the Series 200 better suited for one application over the other? The Series 200 is a 0.9 amp tool for applications that require more power, like woodcutting and sanding. A higher amp tool such as the OR is recommended. Question number 2. Does this tool work with all of the accessories in your line? Compatible with all Dremel high-speed rotary tool accessories. The collet included in the kit accommodates accessories with a 1/8-inch shank. For accessories with a smaller shank, a separate collet is required. Available separately. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.